Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the gun safe, unload, remove caps, and take out any batteries. Once done, set the piece on a clean tray so screws and springs won't scatter. Use a magnifier to spot worn parts. That shows you where to focus. Now remove the visible screws and keep them organized. This prevents reassembly mistakes. As you open the housing, note how the trigger lever engages the sear, because understanding that interaction tells you what to clean or realign next. You now expose the trigger, sear, and related pawls. Take photos so you can reverse the process. Once you have parts separated, clean contact surfaces with isopropyl and a soft swab to remove grime that causes sticking. Make sure pivot points are free of debris and not rounded. Worn pivot holes cause slack. If springs are weak or pins are rusty, swap them now because cleaning alone won't restore tension. Relubricate sparingly at pivots so movement is smooth without gumming up the mechanism. You're ready to put everything back together. Reinstall the trigger and sear in the order you removed them, making sure springs seat correctly so the sear resets reliably. Once assembled, perform dry tests without caps or power. Pull the trigger, let it reset, and feel for smooth travel and a crisp engagement point. If you notice binding, open and realign pivot pins or slightly bend contact tabs back into alignment. If problems persist, replace the sear or trigger. Worn metal cannot be fixed by cleaning alone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.